Anybody from Jersey out there, which exit? There is a different approach to that higher part.
Whoa, living on a prayer.
Talk like this, hey, with that I'm done apologizing. Hey, guys, it's Jim Chandler with Rock Your Best Vocals, back again with another How to Sing Like. Today we're going to sing like Bon Jovi. I've got a lot of requests for this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to take an isolated vocal of Living on a Prayer, and we're going to listen to a few of the things, the techniques, and the styles that John Bon Jovi uses to sound like himself, okay? So the point here is, as I always say, is to take these and put them into your toolbox, and you can learn to employ these in your own technique to develop your own sound, because you don't want to just go around singing like John Bon Jovi, because everyone's going to say you sound like John Bon Jovi. So I always reiterate that, because the point here is to learn the tools of these masters, learn how they sing, and then use them to your own benefit, okay? So you can expand your own voice and rock your best vocals. Okay, just before we get started, okay, if you guys are a struggling singer and you're looking around for YouTube trying to learn how to do different techniques and you're struggling with that, stop being a struggling singer and become a master vocalist in my master vocal program. Click the link down below to learn a bit more about that. Or if you just like to take a free course, it's down there below. Also, if you would hit the like and subscribe buttons, and also ring the notification bell so you can see all these when they come out, because some of them will help you. You may just even get a laugh out of what my hair looks like. Who knows? Have a laugh. Come on and join in. This is all for fun. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Blah, 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 blah. Let's get on. John Bon Jovi. Let's do it.
Tommy used to work on the docks.
Okay, so straight away, he kind of has that little bit of distortion. Tommy used to work on the docks. It's also pushing through he's got good nasal resonance, okay? Okay, compression there. Docks. Really compressed sound. And as that Tommy used to work on the docks. Union been on strike. He's down on his luck. He's tough. It's compressed in that way of like, so try to go Tommy used to work on the docks. Union been on strike. Really breathy there as well, but he's not pushing a lot of air. He's not, Union been on strike. He's down on his luck. He's tough. There's a little bit of air going through to get that rasp, but Union been on strike. He's down on his luck. It's tough. Think about that. Union been on strike. Let's go on and listen to that line there.
Union's been on strike. He's down on his luck. It's tough.
Nice, good, close mic. It's tough. Union been on strike. He's down on his luck. It's tough. So, I'm just playing around. Anyway, stop playing. Stop. So tough.
Gina works a diner all day, working for her man. She brings home her pay for love, for love. She says we gotta hold on to what we've got. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not.
It's like
It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not.
try to think of that, maybe that.
It doesn't make a difference. It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not.
You can still push a little bit more air. He does tend to have a bit more air than, it's not complete chord closure, where that would be like if he had a good, really tight.
It doesn't make a difference if we make it or not.
you're that little bit of, I'm letting a little bit of air, a little looser chord closure to get a bit of rasp in there.
We got each other, and that's a lot for love. We'll give it a shot.
We'll give it a shot. So try that. I'm compressing that. And the compression again is just try that technique of hold your breath like you're jumping underwater. We'll give it a shot. Like, we'll give it a shot. Real, think of that forward sound. We'll give it a shot. Good compression. We'll give it a shot. Almost say, I'm trying to think of like how New Jersey, he's from New Jersey, got that Jersey accent. We'll give it. Hey, I'm from Jersey. If you think you talk like this, hey, we'll give it a shot, hey. You know what I mean? Think of that, hey, you like a pizza pie, hey. Johnny, we're gonna give it a shot. John Bon Jovi, yo. Okay, I don't know where I'm going with that. If you use that, hey, I'm from Jersey. We'll give it a shot. That might help you too. Anybody from Jersey out there, which exit? Okay, chill out. I'm not making fun of the Jersey accent. What I'm doing is just trying to kind of, I'm trying to over accentuate that to mimic that to get that tone and that sound. So look, if you're thinking about going, just stop it. Just stop. I'm not criticizing. Please. This is all done out of love. Definitely not hating on the Jersey people. But it helps to, get that Jersey thinking. We'll give it a shot. It helps for me anyway. So it helps me. Let's go on. Enough apologizing. I ain't gonna apologize anymore. I'm done apologizing.
We'll give it a shot. Oh, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear.
So at the beginning of that line, oh, we're halfway there. That's good tight chord closure because he's not going, oh. You hear the beginning of that. Oh, we're halfway there. So he's letting out a little bit of air to get that raspy sound. But, oh, we're halfway there. Not clean like that. Oh, we're halfway there. Little bit of distortion, a little bit of rasp, okay?
Oh, living on a prayer.
Okay, so that living on a prayer. Living on a prayer. He's really belting there, okay? So try that technique of the jumping underwater. Living on a prayer. So you're letting a little bit of that chord, the chords open a little bit to get a little bit of distortion in there. Living on a prayer. But not thinking about the throat, thinking about that false chord. That's where I'm closing at. The false folds giving that distortion. Living on a prayer. So he's letting a little bit of air out, and you can hear that compression because at the end, when a singer is compressing, at the end you can always hear that air being like, wow, living on a prayer. You hear it at the end. Let's go back to that.
Living on a prayer. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, living on a prayer.
Living on a prayer. You can hear that there at the end, okay? So let's move on to the end where he kind of does the modulation at the end where they move up. And here, is there much of a difference between how he's approaching that higher part? Because it's quite high. There is a different approach to that higher part that he uses. And we're going to just kind of get into that a little bit.
Ooh, we gotta hold on, ready or not. You live for the fight when that's all that you've got. Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa, living on a prayer. Take my.
Whoa! Living on a bell! You can hear that a little bit. That's that false chord closure there, or that you can hear that in my false folds there. Whoa! Living on a bell! You can hear that distortion going in there. That's the false folds doing that work. You've got your vocal folds, your vocal chords, and then just above that is where there's a little bit of skin there that will rattle. And that's where you get that, wow, living on a bell. You hear that little bit of that, as opposed to if I didn't use that, so there's no, that's totally clean. But if you put that false fold fry in there, so
Whoa, living on a prayer.
whoa, living on a bell. He's really kind of pushing up through the nasal passage to get that high up there. Certainly more nasally, but it's also a little bit more kind of, it's thinner because it's up there. It's less chest, more head. Wow! Living on a bell! Wow! Living on a bell! It's hard to get that higher up there with that false chord fry in there. I mean, it's possible, but wow! Living on a bell! It's a little easier to do it at the end. I think that's why he, kind of brings that in more at the end. And he does that repeatedly over and over. If you push a bit too much air out, you'll hear, like, obviously my voice is, now it's a little bit more tired because I was doing that. But okay, guys, so hopefully those tips helped you to learn a bit more how to sing like Jon Bon Jovi. Keep it Joyzy, you know what I mean? Keep it, tap the old subscribe. No, that's over here. Tap the subscribe button and the like. Give the thumbs up for Joyzy. Hit the notification bell. Please comment down below for anything. I don't know. Just comment. Leave some comments. I love interacting with you guys. So glad to have you here. Thank you very much. Rock your best vocals where your best keeps getting better. Thank you so much. Bye.